Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the two easiest and guaranteed ways to make money online without getting scammed. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So, how to make $1,000 a month online without being taken advantage of. I have a question for you first. Can you really work from home and make money? If you say yes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you two of the easiest and most reliable ways to make money online without getting ripped off. There are also a lot of fake websites on the internet, which is another fact. But you can trust me that I won't tell you about any fake websites. First, I will show you some proof of how much I've made, and then we will talk about how you can make the same thing. And then we will talk about how you can do the same thing. All of these earnings are just meant to inspire you and teach you something. And I know it's not a lot of money, but for a newbie like you, it's 5 to 6 figures, and for me and my family, it's a lot of money I've made without investing. So how can you also do this? Start a blog that links to Amazon. Google AdSense is not as good as Amazon affiliate niche blog. So what should you do? On Blogger and WordPress, you can make your own blog. Blogger is a free platform for blogging. On the other hand, WordPress costs $25 per year and lets you make up to 3 websites or blogs. Namecheap is the best and most recommended web hosting service, and I used it for many years. So, sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. After you fill out some information, you will get an affiliate link that you can share with your family and friends. Now, the best thing you can do to make money on Amazon is start a blog and then start putting out the reviews. Get started with Medium. But if you don't have any money to spend, Medium is a great place to start. Right now, I've already said this thing about being in the $50 club on Medium 2 or 3 times. Just make a blog on Medium and start posting articles. But you need at least 100 followers before you can join the Medium Partner Program. Once you have that many followers, you can join the Medium Partner Program then. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.